back to the exercise of the week. This is Zach over at Specht Physical Therapy. January is going to be Natural Movement Month here at Specht PT. And so today we're going to start off with some crawling patterns. Crawling is a very fundamental movement pattern that we develop as children. And unfortunately, as we start to get older and stop playing our sports and we're not being as active, we really forget how to crawl. And so today we're just going to get back into some really basic crawling patterns which can help improve core stability, shoulder stability, and just overall better body mobility. So first we're going to start with today is just the hand-knee crawl. So you have 4 points of contact, both hands and both knees, and we're going to use a contralateral pattern. What that means is as your left arm moves forward, your right knee moves forward. So a lot of our clients, when you first ask them to crawl, they'll do an ipsilateral pattern, or they'll move both sides like so. Very unnatural, and it'll feel unnatural when you start to do it. So into this position here, you want to really turn the pits of your elbows forward, set your shoulder blades down, and you're going to just bring left hand forward, right knee forward, like so. And once you master the forward motion, you can go backwards. If you're really having a hard time with the patterning, one thing you can always go back to when you first start the motion is start with a long side. So left hand forward and right knee's here. So we have a long side, my left side, and a short side, my right side. And then all you do is just reverse that. And the same thing going back. Short side is my left side, long side is my right side. Once you've mastered the hand-knee crawl, you can move on to the hand and foot crawl. It's a little more challenging for your core stability and shoulder stability and your upper body strength. So now I'm going to come off my knees. And just being here is a great exercise. If you're struggling with the crawling pattern, you can just get here and hold. Get used to being here. And then once you feel comfortable, then you can start to crawl in that position. So those are some really basic crawling patterns really get you moving better, get you stronger, more stable. And if you like what you see, in January 19th, at our Swansea office, we're going to be hosting a MovNat workshop. And we can learn a lot more ways to start to move naturally. MovNat is a physical education system using natural movements to solve real-world problems. So if you're interested, you can go onto the MovNat website and look for the MovNat Essentials Workshop in Swansea, and you can sign up there. We'd love to have you there and to get you moving better and give the crawling a shot. All right, keep moving.